Hi Drastic Cuties! Today we're going to draw a chocolate covered strawberry. So let's get started. To draw this yummy strawberry, we're going to first start by drawing a big curve for the top of the strawberry. So I'm going to start right here and just go ahead and draw this big, nice round curve. So it all depends on what kind of shape you want to give your strawberry. I'm just going to bring it all the way around and on the same level on the other side. From there, we're going to draw a wavy curve all the way across, and this is where this chocolate starts to cover the strawberry. So you can draw this however you like, lots of curves or just very little, it's all up to you. I'm just going to bring it all the way back. And so then from there, let's start to bring the stem of the strawberry in. We're going to come right to the center, just pick a point, say about right here's my center. And from here, I'm going to start to draw my leaves. So I'm going to go up. Bring it to a point and bring it back down. Then one more over to this side and tuck it in. And we're going to do the same thing on the other side. There, so we have the leaves in. Now let's draw the stem right in the center. We're just going to curve it out and widen the curve. Bring it right back into the middle. So then now let's come back down here. We're going to draw the chocolate part. So come out right here a little bit. Just give it a tiny little curve. Bring it out. So it just gives it some dimension so that the chocolate is nice and thick, covering the strawberry. And then from here, we're just going to bring it all the way down. So just kind of imagine your strawberry shape, and this is how what you're gonna try to draw. So I'm just going to kind of bring it to a round point. So if you want your strawberry nice and short or long, it's all up to you. This is the part you just go as long as you want. I'm just going to bring this down about that much, and I'm going to round it off and connect it. Okay, so then from there, let's bring this strawberry to life. So I'm going to come about right here and draw a very happy eye. So it's just a big curve down, and I'm going to add 2 little lashes right there. I'm going to go to the other side about right here and draw the same thing. And come back in here and just thicken my eyes. Thicken this one a little bit more. Okay, and then from there, let's give it a sweet smile right in the center and cap it off. There, and then you can come in here very, very lightly, and I'm just going to draw some kind of like a teardrop, just an indication of seeds. You don't have to do this with your black marker. You can do that when you're coloring it so it's not so prominent, but it's all up to you. And so you're gonna have some seeds. You can add some more here when you're coloring it. And so then from there, I'm gonna decorate my chocolate. I'm just gonna add some drizzle, maybe some white chocolate drizzle. It's all up to you. I'm gonna come about right here, or you can leave it as is. I'm just gonna bring a little band over of white chocolate. Curve it a little bit more. And so one more here. By doing this, it also not just decorates your strawberry, it also gives it some dimension by adding these stripes. And bring it back in. I'm going to come to the center right here and add a little heart just to decorate my strawberry, because it is a draw so cute chocolate covered strawberry, right? And then you can come in here and just pop it out a little bit. Just go in there and erase that line just to pop it out, just to give it a little bit more volume. And that is pretty much it for this strawberry. for this chocolate covered strawberry. Hope you guys loved it, and if you do, please give me a thumbs up and share it. And remember to subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.